Na bynta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni. Usaleng A Sangma Member of Parliament MP ka Party Congress na tura. Ulapan pau ya ka jingkmen but jing ai kublai sya ka Sarkar India halor ka jingwan ra ya ka Mendipathar Railway Station hanor Garo Hills kabadai ka bynta ka baningkong e jong ka jila Meghalaya kabla yo lat bandon ka jingya thu jingya jan ning ba ka Lynti Rel. Sangma ong bagi pat ba ka Garo Hills kila pediang da ka jingkmen ba ka jingkermen ya ka ni karu kompanya so ka bakentiu ya ka jingkai pateng ka yo ka kot bat ru ka jingtuat gibriu bat kimar kani ka station ka penyaso e ka Mendipathar bat ka jila Assam Henry MP ula ka dawru ba ka jingdan tangkawi ka station kam dei ban kut hangni ula kerpat ba ka sarkar ka dei ban penklanj shu bat pyniar ya ka Mendipathar station ba kan yo ban penyaso syakiwe gi bynta jong Ri India ki pat ba ka Garo Hills ki sngongo ya kani ka jingker khu ka blasdang Henry ngin hab ban pet syakman ka Mendipathar kam dei ban nong tang ka station bakun Henry ka dei ban nong ka jingkhang ban plelat ya ka jing yar ki rel shu ong usangma ki pat ba athan ru kila ai jingkershan ya kani ka jingdawa bar ki Kwah balada la pyniar ya ki rel kan penduna ya ki jing e hakalet kawan kan kentiu ya ka tourism bar kan ailat ru ya ka jingmi kila jing sumar jing im bat kamai ka ji ha ka than.
This particular railway at Mendipathar right now is a single platform, and moreover, it's two passenger service only, and then moreover underutilized potential. Okay, that's why I have asked for the expansion about the dome and expansion about the service train service also, and then moreover, I have asked to extend. The train from Kolkata to Mendipathar and then super fast train which should connect from Mendipathar to Kanyakumari, Mendipathar to Mumbai, Mendipathar to New Delhi, and then moreover comprehensive of all the issues looking at the scenario of the Garo Hills. I have asked for the goods train also, which the minister and the prime minister himself is agreed upon that they will look into this matter.
So goods train from Mendipathar itself?
Unless and until we get a goods train from Mendipathar, Garo Hills is not going to benefit out of that.
And
since we have a train line in Mendipathar,
actually, when you talk about the influx, the train enters only 14 kilometers till Mendipathar. It's only 14 kilometers from the Assam border, and then moreover, since it's only a two passenger train, till now not much of an influx is there. But if we make a bigger platform, then we might have to look at the security side also. Then we might have to bring lots of other issues like about the checking points, where all those passengers coming from, where those kinds of checkpoint is required. Now that's why I'm not asking to extend it till Jengjal or other parts of the Garo Hills, but I just wanted that particular train in Mendipathar itself to be expanded, take the expansions of the stations and the extensions of the train to go to any nook and corner of the India.
okay. So it's not that to other parts of Garo Hills?
No. Otherwise, you see, when you talk about the influx, unless and until there is a proper place in like security checkpoint, then I cannot take risk of my people.
there is some demand from Garo Hills MLAs to extend it to border areas.
Without having a proper checkpoint, I don't think it's wise for me to ask for that. Unless and until government has got some other reason to extend it. But I want the expansion of the train and extend it, the route from Mendipathar to Kanyakumari, to Mumbai, to Delhi, to Calcutta, like that. Right now, it's only operating from Mendipathar to Guwahati only, and no other goods train. Now, for example, we are talking about the agro-based industries, we are talking about lots of entrepreneurship program out there. Unless and until we have a goods train, then where our product will be, delivered, how do you supposed to, market it? So likewise, Accordingly, we have planned and we have discussed with the ministers that since Garo Hills is the organic area where we can concentrate more of the organic organic agriculture, that way we can export it to other parts of the state.
So you are also
I have already written a letter to the minister and the prime minister himself. Right now, the government of Meghalaya, they have written, just recently only, just few months back, I think so. Just recently only they have, written that MOU, okay, and that is only for the 20 seaters. Just recently, 20 seaters. Whereas people were expecting to, expecting for, bigger Boeing, bigger aircraft, but I think 20 aircraft even now also maybe they might be able to operate under the Uran, because what I have seen in Lakshadweep, it's quite similar, right? The one which we're having now, but somewhere or the airport, the aerodrome, I think might have to do a little bit of renovations and a little bit of expansion. Otherwise, it's very much similar to that Lakshadweep airport. It's not that big. Even land in Lakshadweep also. That train, it can land anytime.
Sir, since
In the map of Airport Authority of India, this Baljek airport was never there. Okay? It was not there at all. During the committee meeting along with the Airport Authority of India on December, when I asked, they said that Baljek airport is not there in that in their Airport Authority of India's map. Okay, because we had a meeting after that committee meeting in Lakshadweep.
when was that?
That was first we had a meeting in Delhi where I asked if there is what is the conditions of the Baljek airport. Okay, after that they have given me the reply at Lakshadweep, where they said that there is no trace of Baljek airport in the Airport Authority of India. Since
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We